In life, there are no shortcuts to success. It's not about where you come from or the obstacles you face. It's about the choices you make every single day. Excuses are easy. They're the escape hatch from hard work and determination. But those who truly achieve greatness understand one simple truth. Excuses don't build empires. They don't break records. They don't inspire change. What does? Action, persistence, grit. Every excuse is a barrier you place upon yourself. But imagine what you could achieve if you broke free from those chains. Success isn't about perfection. It's about effort. It's about resilience. It's about refusing to let anything stand in your way. So the next time you're tempted to make an excuse, remember this: the only thing standing between you and your dreams is the decision to try without excuses. Make today the day you choose to rise above excuses. Embrace the challenges. Write your own story of determination and victory. Because when you refuse to make excuses, you empower yourself to create the life you've always dreamed of. Excuses will always be there for you. Opportunity won't.